Hello parents, so today I am here to orient you all regarding the kit which you all have received from the school. So to begin with, we have our Junior KG kit. So this kit includes English primer book for our English subject. Then we have English practice book which will be used either in our class or as an enrichment activity as and when required. Moving ahead, we have our mathematics primer book which will be used for mathematics subject. Then we have mathematics practice book which will be either used in class or as an enrichment activity as and when required. We have general awareness primer book which will be used as an EVS subject. Moving ahead, we have general awareness practice book which will be either used in class or as an enrichment activity as and when required. Then we have our phonics book. Moving ahead, we have rhymes and story book which will be used for learning rhymes and listening to stories. Then we have drawing and coloring book which will be used in our class for drawing and coloring. So this is our skill enhancement material which will be used as per the teacher's instructions. So this was all about textbooks. Coming to the notebooks, we have 4 set of books, 2 books of red and blue line which will be used for English subject, 2 books of square line book which will be used for mathematics subject. So this was all about textbooks and notebooks. So now my fellow teacher will be explaining you about the art material. Thank you.
Hello parents, I am here to explain you about the art material which you have already received. So parents, this is a button folder. As you have received this, let me show you what the kit contains. What all materials are there in the kit, parents? We have this origami sheets which will be used as per the teacher's instruction. Then we have this jumbo wax crayons box, parents, with a crayon holder with it. Again, we have a drawing book, parents, a blank drawing book. This will be used as per the teacher's instruction, parents. Then we have this glue stick. We have a box of pencils in the kit. We have a pair of child-friendly scissors, parents. Yes. Then we have tempera paints in the kit. We have a plain dough, parents, in that kit, which will again be used as per the teacher's instructions. Now, parents, we have this skill sheets in the kit. These skill sheets will be used as per the teacher's instruction. The teacher will instruct you, parents, as and when we have to use it. Last but not the least, parents, we have this lovely, beautiful apron for our kids. Parents, please make sure your child wears this as and when they do the art activity. This is a very lovely and pretty apron. Can you see, parents? Yes. Please make sure your child wears this. Thank you and have a good day, parents.